everyone, it's Nina. Thanks for joining me today for a fantastic look at our Simon Says Stamp limited edition Boho Party Card Kit. Every single item in this kit is bound to make you smile. It is jam-packed with beautiful products that you can use to make celebratory cards, tags, and more. As always with our Simon Says Stamp limited edition kits, this is only available while supplies last. So if you like it, you're going to want to grab it while you can. And it is not part of our usual monthly subscription. Why don't we dive on in and see what's included in this beautiful kit. And we're going to start off first with the stamp set. This is the Boho Party stamp set. It's a 6x8 stamp set that features lots of great imagery, including a VW bus, fun banners, little starbursts, floral elements, and some great sentiments in a groovy font. Continuing the boho theme, we have our boho birthday die. This cuts beautifully and creates a really fantastic sentiment that you can use on your cards. We also have our boho rainbow layering stencil set. This is three 3x3 stencils, and they pair up together to make a fun and beautiful rainbow that you can easily color with a variety of different inks. I recommend using our Simon Says Stamp detail blending brushes to help you color this in. Our boho medallion die is fantastic for adding fun patterns to your projects. Here I've cut it from some of our rose gold metallic cardstock that's included in the kit, and it makes a beautiful medallion on your projects. If you love embossing folders, our latest 3D embossing folder design is gorgeous. This is the Fab Floral, and like always, our embossing folders are deeply etched and create amazing dimension on your projects. Check out how that embossing just pops off of the card, and you can use either the front or the back side on your project. What is a party without some shimmer? We've included 3 new Tim Holtz Distress Mica stains. You've got Frosty Mint, Sugary Gumdrop, and Wonderland. And I've swatched them out here so you can see how they look on your paper. They've got a gorgeous mica shimmer to them, so they add a bunch of sparkle and color to your project. We always love including some fun pattern papers in our kits, and this is the Simple Stories Boho Sunshine paper pack. These are double-sided sheets of pattern paper that feature fun patterns, lots of sunshine and rainbows, and really trendy bohemian colors. In addition to the pattern papers, we've also included these floral enamel stickers from Craft Consortium. Check out how dimensional these are. And because they already have adhesive on them, it makes putting them on your projects super simple and easy. These are great embellishments. We've also included a trio of embossing products. You get a Tim Holtz Distress Embossing Ink Cube, perfect for inking up the images in the stamp set. We've also included one of our Simon Says Stamp embossing powders in gold fine detail. This will ensure that even the smallest of stamps will emboss perfectly. And finally, to help you with your embossing, we have some hot hands. The color may vary from the color you're seeing on screen, but this is perfect for holding your paper project while you're embossing so your fingers don't burn. Now, usually when you're making birthday cards, you also have a gift, right? Well, we've included a whole stack of tags plus some twine that you can use to make happy and colorful tags for your gifts. The twine is fantastic for running through the whole of the tag, so you can easily attach this onto your present. To get you started on coloring in the beautiful imagery of the Boho Party stamp set, we've included the Spectrum Noir Tri-Blend Marker. It has 3 shades of pink included that actually blend beautifully together. So I'm going to swatch them out here so you can see the colors in real life. On the left, we have the lightest color. The middle one is the mid-tone, and finally here's the darkest color. So you've got a really nice blend of colors here that you can use to color in your images. After you've made your cards, you want to send them, of course, so we've included a mint slimline envelope and an ecru A2 size. Finally, we have 2 sheets of cardstock, our rose gold metallic, and some Nina Solar White. The metallic cardstock is great for die cutting the dies that are included in this kit. We, of course, had to give you sweet treats, so you'll also find that every kit has a lollipop included. I want to inspire you on how you can use this Boho Party card kit. So let's take a look at some of the inspiration that I've created. Here I've used the stamp set to create this amazing card design I used the bus, added a party hat on top, used the banners to create a background, and I also added a fun little sentiment. Those stamps are great for creating fun backgrounds as well. Here I used that burst to add a fun pattern to this card. Those fun little floral enamel stickers from Craft Consortium were the perfect embellishment to add around the greeting. Remember I told you those tags are great for making and putting onto your gifts. So here I actually made a pair of rainbow tags that I used the Boho rainbow stencil to create. I also added some stamping and a sentiment from the stamp set. Speaking of the Boho Party stamp set, there are some fun balloon images as well, which I stamped in a whole bunch of colors and paired up with this card that features some of the pattern paper in the background. The pattern paper is also great for using in other ways too. I actually cut out one of the sentiments that's in the pattern paper to use as the main greeting for my card, and then I stamped a floral border from the stamp set and put that on top of another piece of pattern paper that is the background. I hope these ideas have inspired you on how you can use the Boho Party limited edition card kit, available exclusively at Simon Says Stamp and for a limited time only. Thanks so much for watching this video, and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe.
Hi there, I'm Heidi, Simon's mama and founder at SimonsSaysStamp.com. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like what you just saw, be sure to press the thumbs up and subscribe to see more great content.